So over here you can see that I'm inside a Filmora project, and if I were to go around into titles and so forth, you can see that there are some titles that I need to download right here. If I were to click and drag it, you can see that it downloads the content first before I'm able to use it. But let's say I want to download all of them all at once. So no matter if you're on transition or effects or titles, what you have to do is you have to go into the tool right here, and then you can see that download all is an option. Once you click on it, what happens is that web browser opens up, and then you're taken on to the Filmora website. So you simply need to go ahead, and then here you can see that you have an option to download the Filmora X default effect pack. Simply click over here, and then what happens is that it redirects you to an exe file of 1.3 gigabytes right here, which will take some time to download. So in my case it's 34 minutes, but depending on your internet speed, it'll take some time. And I'm just going to fast forward this part. And now you can see that it has completed downloading. And now in order to install it, I can simply click on it, and then the installer will open up. So it'll load up right here. So now once it loads up, you can see that it says the setup has directed Wondershare Filmora is currently running. So what I have to do is I have to actually close it. So I just need to go around and close Filmora before I actually go around. So I'm not going to save any project right here and press OK. And now you can see that this is what I have. So I can just go around and install it, as you can see. So as it completes out installing right there, once the application is closed down for Filmora, then every downloadable content that comes in default with the Filmora video editor gets installed. So again, depending on your system speed, this might take a while. So I'm just going to go around and forward over here. And it has completed installing now, as you can see. So I can simply click launch to actually launch out Filmora right there. So it's loading out. And then there you go. So now what I can do is over here in title and everything else, you can see that there's no download button anymore because all of them has been downloaded. So you do not need to go around and depend on an internet connection. Even if you don't have it, you can see that all of them has been downloaded and you can simply use it whenever you want. And that is how you can download all the tools inside from Filmora. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.